Hello Rosebuds, Goddess Tiffany Rose is here back once again, and I'm here to bring you another self-care video, bring you a whole new product that was sent to me as a gift. And guess who the company is that sent this wonderful, amazing, brilliant, genius product to me? Guess. Dermalogica. Yes, it was Dermalogica. I'm silly, I know, Dermalogica, yes. But I love this company. It's so big and grand and awesome. And they just sent me the most amazing product that has helped my skin so much. And I had the chance to use it for the past few weeks. And I absolutely love it. And I have a little bit left to share with you all. And I wanted to share it with you all. Okay, so here it is. Okay, here it is. Okay, so this is the packaging. Okay, this is breakouts and skin aging. Yes, those of us who suffer, let me see if I can zoom in before I start talking. Zoom. There we go, we got it. Those of us who suffer from breakouts like acne and discoloration and uneven skin tone and wrinkles and aging and just time, father clock is just ticking away. This product is for you, and I absolutely love it. And I just love the color. I am loving this aquamarine color. This is like one of my favorite colors besides red. And oh my god, this, I just love it. Okay, get to it. Okay, so it clears skin overnight. It is a retinol clearing oil. Okay, it is a high performance oil combining blooper. Okay, it is a high performance oil combining retinol and salicylic acid to target breakouts and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles overnight. It is for normal, dry, combination, and oily skin. And if you suffer from fine lines, wrinkles, and uneven texture and acne and blemishes, this product is for you. The formula is an oil base. It's not like a lotion or a cream or anything like that, or gel. It is definitely oil. Okay, so it contains ingredients such as salicylic acid, which stimulates natural exfoliation to visibly reduce breakouts and blackheads, revealing clearer looking skin. Also, time release retinol, vitamin A, and it works all night to support skin recovery while visibly smoothing fine lines and wrinkles, boosting skin's elasticity and reducing hyperpigmentation with minimal irritation. It also contains argan, jojoba, and rosehip seed oils, provides phytoactive lipids and antioxidants while moisturizing the skin and protecting the lipid barrier to combat potential dryness from the salicylic acid. Woo, that's a mouthful, ain't it? So yes, you want to use this product overnight, definitely, before you go to bed. So basically you want to, after you cleanse your face, you tone your face and all that good stuff, and you put your stuff on, you want to use this product. I typically use this product as a last because it's an oil. So I usually just do my cleansing, my toner, my moisturizer, and then I put the oils on top. Oils always going last. So yes, so here it is. This comes in like a little droplet. And so as you see, I'm running completely out, so I'm having to tilt the bottle and to get some out of there. There we go. Okay, and I'm going to set this down so I don't spill the last bit because I absolutely love it. But you put a few drops in there, about 6 to 10 drops. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, that's about enough. Okay, and this is it. I'm not going to just show you guys too much, but I'm going to rub it so you can see it is oily, right? And you put this on as last, you know, you just like, poop. And it doesn't have much of a scent to it at all, but it just is like a light oil. It's not a heavy oil at all, but you can see it shining, you know. And you just gently pat this on your face. And I remember a few days ago, I had got my braids redone, and somehow the people who did my braids, they put like maybe some type of gel or something on my head, or some type of jam or whatever they use to gather your hair. And I noticed I started having these fine little bumps around here. I don't know if it was from the product or the braids or whatever. And I was like, oh no, I don't want that. I don't want the bumps to come back, because I always suffer from acne, especially around the forehead. And so I washed my hair, you know, make sure I got all that stuff out of my head, but I started using this around the forehead area. And when I say the acne that I had around here is gone, it's smooth, it's back to where it was normal. Oh, I was so grateful, because I was like, I worked so hard to clear out my skin and now it's coming back. But thanks to this wonderful product, those bad boy disappeared in a couple days. Okay. Okay, so definitely get this. This is available again with Dermalogica. Okay, and you can get this available right now at Sephora, and it's available for $80, darling. I know for some of you was like, ooh, $80, do I really want to spend that? Well, baby, if you want something that works, trust and believe it works. It has like almost a 4.5 out of 5-star rating. Yeah, that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. Yeah. So yeah, that's a pretty darn good product. Okay, so if you have the extra coins, take your stimulus money or whatever, or your overtime money or whatever you want to use, get the product. If you suffer from acne and you have the aging and all that going on, and you want smooth and even skin tone, this is the product. Get it. Okay, get it like right now. Okay. But yeah, so this is it. Absolutely love it. It gives me that nice glow, as you can see, nice and smooth, even, you know. Yes. I love it. But yeah, one more thing before I go. Definitely, I need each and every one of you all to go to my Facebook page, go to my Instagram page, and click the link for Sephora Squad. I am trying to become a part of the 2021, I'm so tongue-tied, of the 2021 Sephora Squad, and I would greatly appreciate it if you go there and leave a testimonial. Let them know that I love Goddess Tiffany Rose videos. I want to see more of her. I want to see her do more reviews. She's funny, she's bright, she's light, she has a lot of energy. I like her smile. She just seems like a cool kind of gal. Whatever you want to say, go on there and say it. As long as it's positive, I would greatly appreciate it, and I love you all. Until next time, bye bye. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and follow me on Instagram at Goddess Tiffany Rose.